What is up, party people? It's Devin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you Tokyo Pen Shop's character kit number 11. We are filming at this interesting angle again today. I was trying to use my tripod and it broke, so very sad. I'm going to need to get a new tripod so we can continue to get those nice overhead shots, but we are going to make the best out of today's video. I got this in the mail a day or two ago and I've been waiting to unbox it with you guys. If you're not familiar with Tokyo Pen Shop's character kits, it's basically 6+ curated items that they put together in a little surprise box, and they stock it on their website periodically. This kit is $35 and that is the shop minimum for free shipping. Oh, okay. I know you guys can only see the bottom half of my face, but super excited. The first thing that caught my eye was the Kurotoga, and funny story, I was actually at work and while I was waiting for the shredder to unjam itself, I popped onto Tokyo Pen Shop's website and it was to look for something else that I'm waiting for them to stock. But I ended up just going off on some other pages and saw that they had limited edition Kurotogas. This one wasn't on there, but it piqued my interest. This one is Pooh Bear. I love Disney, and I think that's one of the main reasons why I have begun purchasing and continue to purchase the Tokyo Pen Shop kits, is because they generally include Disney products. It's not always guaranteed. Now, I'm not huge on mechanical pencils, so if you have knowledge in that arena, please share in the comments below. But if I am not mistaken, the Kurotoga is actually a mechanical pencil that's known for rotating the lead as it advances. And we'll go ahead and do swatches because I know everyone knows what a mechanical pencil looks like, but let me just try it out because I'm super excited. It's so funny because I'm writing, but I'm also trying not to look at this pile so I can give you guys my genuine reaction. So here's the swatch of the Winnie the Pooh Kurotoga. Please excuse previous swatches from previous videos, which I'll have linked off in the description box below if you'd like to check it out. So the next item that I see is the Serosa Vintage Clip Disney Edition. It's a mishmash of those words. But I believe this is in the color blue black, and I do have this pen already, but I'm not mad because I like the Serosa Vintage, and I'm kind of weird about it in the sense that I have the original, but I purchased the set of the Disney ones, which I hope to share in an upcoming video. But I also have this, so now I feel like I have backups and I won't be so hesitant to use it. I don't know, does anyone else feel that way? Let me know in the comment section below, where you're kind of you love a pen so much that you use it sparingly because you don't want it to run out. On the barrel it says Magical Moments, and it has Mickey Mouse in a cute little top hat. Says Mickey Mouse right here, and it says he always makes you happy, and for me that is true. So let's go ahead and swatch this. I think this is in 0.5. There is the Serosa clip, and they don't have the full sets on their website anymore, but I know that they have the singles listed, so you guys can check that out. So the next thing that I see is this Hello Kitty decoration stamp set, and it comes with 4 designs. And on the package it shows an example of the stamps. So let's go ahead and swatch those. Oh, whoa, okay, I didn't do that one very good. There we go. Alright, don't mind the blobs, okay? If you have this, you want to go ahead and turn it and then uncap it. if you're struggling like I am right now. And it's best to use a light hand because the stamp is super inky. Oh my gosh. There we go. Sorry guys, these swatches are not the best. Don't mind the blobs. There's Hello Kitty. And then I think that second one is My Melody. No, the third one is My Melody. I'm not really sure the second one. And then the last one is Bad Bats. This guy. Do you guys know who that guy is? I'm unsure. There's a bit of a learning curve, but overall very cute. And I like how compact those stamps are and the fact that they are stackable. It would be great to throw into my pen case. These are some Minion Monsters, and that's super appropriate for Halloween. I think these are just little stickers. It says it comes with 100 pieces and there's 10 designs. And we've got a minion dressed as Dracula, and then Frankenstein, a little mummy. I'm not sure. A mummy again? Or no, this is Frankenstein. Then who's this? Wow, I am just like drawing blanks left and right. What? Okay, this is super fun. They included a little Twin Stars notebook. Oh my gosh, that's really cool. It says, walking on moonbeams across the heavens with your fine feline friends, little twin stars. I like that the spiral is double ring. I've had problems with like regular spirals and then they get all like jammed and it's not fun. Oh wow, I really like the paper inside too. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it in the video, but the lines actually have little like hash marks. It's a dot grid meets a line journal, and there's little stars too accenting across the page. I am in love with this. Last but not least, they included a Minion Monsters stationery set, so I believe these kind of go hand in hand.